why we shouldn't start our own business. In this video, I will tell you a complete guideline how you can start your Amazon account and how you can reach the first sale. How I found the product
After around 4 hour task, we released 10 pieces. We sold 290 dirham.
Do you have a dream to open your online store and quit from your current job and start your own business? So definitely all of us think one time in our life about this, because every day we saw so many entrepreneurs that they promote their video by earning $1,000 in 4 days or $10,000 in 1 day by dropshipping or online store or something like this. And we definitely think why we shouldn't start our own business and quit from our current job instead of going to the job from 9 to 5, why we should not have our own store. But in this video, I want to be honest with you and I want to show you exactly how much money you can earn from online store. But it will be a series of videos. In this video, I will tell you a complete guideline from scratch, how you can start your Amazon account and how I found the product and how you can reach the first sales and how much money I earned from the sales. And I will show you the challenges that you're facing with, because especially Amazon, there are so many challenges that nobody will tell you. But I am working in Amazon for more than 5 years, so I have some experience about it. And I know exactly what you will face in the future and what difficulty, the return, so many things that Amazon have, the hidden cost that maybe you will lose if you start your own business. So in this video, I will promise you, if you watch this video till the end, you will understand that this will be a useful job for you or not, and you will be capable to open your account after finishing this video, and you can also sell product. So in this video, I don't want to tell something irrelevant, so I will tell you exactly from scratch how you open account and how to run your business. So let's go to Amazon. First, you need one Amazon account as a buyer. I already have the Amazon, so as you can see, it is mentioned the name. I have to choose your seller account. After choosing this option, you will mention this login, but if you do not have Amazon account, no worries. Okay, after login, Amazon will request an OTP, so you have to put the number that you receive in your email or in your phone number. After submitting the code, you have to enable two verification. So in this case, I have to write my phone number to verify my account. Okay, after enabling your account, you must choose what country you want to start. For example, I'm in UAE, I want to run Amazon AE, but you can make it globally, Amazon UK, Amazon Canada, whatever you need. All of them the same, but you must choose the country. So I will go with United Arab Emirates and select account. Okay, I currently choose Amazon AE. There is a monthly subscription fee, so we need to add our card detail because Amazon in a professional version will charge you $39.9 in Amazon.com, but in Amazon AE there is no charge for subscription. And also in Amazon.com you will pay a subscription after listing. For example, if you have one product in Amazon as an active, so in this case Amazon will charge you, but there is one option that for the first you can change it to individual account, so Amazon will not charge you, but in each invoice they will take $1 from you. I will tell you about the difference between professional and individual, but in the first I will recommend that use an individual account so you will not pay a lot of money. So after adding the card detail, we need to click on next. So we have to mention the store name, best seller store. Let's check this is available or not. So it's available. Bestseller store, it is up to you, whatever you want you can choose. After that we will click like this and click on the next. We need to verify our account. So we need only one phone number and one ID card. That's it for registering Amazon. You don't need anything else. But if you want a professional account, you must have a trade license for your company and a bank account related to your company. This is very important for professional account. But as I told you, for first, no need to go for professional account. You can register as an individual. So after registering, we need to verify our account. First, for verifying account, they request you to open a camera and they will see your face and they will request some acts from your face. And after that, they will see your Emirates ID by your mobile phone, like online, and your password. That's it. I'm telling about Emirates ID because I'm registering in UAE, but if you're in US, so you need your ID card related to US. After verifying your account, you will see a panel that your account is registered. So now we create our account and we need to find a product. Right now, I do not have any idea what kind of product I have to sell, but the category you must choose. For example, I prefer the high-tech devices, like gadgets related to mobile phone or related to high technology things. So I prefer to choose that one because I have some expertise in this field and I can find the best one, because right now if you tell me about the beauty, so I do not have any idea about it and I don't know what to do. I will choose the gadgets. So for finding product, products, you have two options. One, you can choose your product from the high selling product in Amazon, and after that go to the market and find the best one. There are so many tools like Helium 10, AMZ Scott, Jungle Scott that you can pay and find the product, but some of them they have a trial version also, and you can find the high selling product and after that go and find it in the market. But personally, in the first of starting your business, I do not prefer this because it's a little difficult. You cannot find the exact product that you find it in the Amazon, and it will be difficult to go in the market, find it. So this is not good. I prefer the next option, that you can go to the market and find some shop that they are working in this field. So I will find the market in my place in UAE and I will ask them to give me a good price because I'm a seller in Amazon, and just give me a wholesale price in the first, but I will take one by one from you a product and give me a list. So he will give me one list without buying the product. You will not buy any product. You know what? I think it's better to go together, find a shop in the market, and after that you will understand what I'm saying. Let's go. Now we are in the market and we want to find some product. What we should do exactly? This is the market, so just come with me. So right now, for example, this is a shop related to some accessories, as you can see here. For example, look at this shop. They have so many things like Jamie, like Mans, like Kenny. This is also very famous in the market. So this kind of shop can help us to have some idea about products. So in this case, for example, if I want to show you this shop, this one is a product that's related to camera, and this is related to the kids. So this is another product. As you can see in the market, you can find so many products. So now I got the number of that shop and he accepts whatever we said. So he wants to give us the wholesale price and we want to find their product in the Amazon, and the one that's we understand that this one is profitable for us, we will go for it. But before that, I want to give you some introduction about how to find your profit as an estimation, and after that you can calculate it like exactly how much will be the price. There are two ways for Amazon. I want to tell you as simple as possible. There is one FBA, they call it fulfilled by Amazon, and FBM, fulfilled by merchant. What's the difference of it? If you buy one product from a supplier and send it to Amazon and request Amazon to send to the customer by yourself, so it will be fulfilled by Amazon. So in this case, once you receive the order, you do not need to send anything to Amazon. They will handle it by themselves. And FBA, there are so many benefits of it, that your cost will be low and the amount of work that you need to do is lower. But there is a bad thing that you have to buy like 10 pieces, 100 pieces, 1000 pieces of the product and send it to Amazon warehouse. There's a FBA fee, they will charge you. I don't want to tell a specific the charge of Amazon because you will get experience once you start your business. Now, for start, we will go with FBM. We will not buy any product. First, we will find our product, we will list it without buying. As a FBM, we will tell to Amazon, we will fulfill by ourselves. And after that, for example, we receive one order, we will go to shop and request that guy to give us one. So we will pay him whatever the amount and we will sell the product in Amazon. We will give to Amazon car as a drop off. There is some specific places and we will go and give them. There is an option of pick up also. For example, in your home, you can request to Amazon to come to your home. They will take the product and they will deliver it to the guy. So they will charge, depends, like $5, $6 based on your size and weight for the package. So right now you understand there is FBA and FBM. So the difference of them, in FBA, Amazon will fulfill the product, and in FBM, you will fulfill the product by yourself to the Amazon delivery. This is the way of Amazon. But as a start, we will go with FBM and we will do by ourselves. If I want to tell you one more time, because I want to make everything clear. First step is creating your account that we already created. The next step is finding the category that you want to work. For example, we choose the smart gadgets. The next step is going out and finding the product or finding the supplier and take the list from them. And after that, you should check in Amazon and you should understand which product is profitable. So now we should calculate the price. I will give you a formula that you can add it in your Amazon. I will tell you in dirham as a currency, but you can change it to dollar by calculator in Google. How will it be? I will find the product and after that I will tell you about the formula that how you can calculate your profit. If it will be profitable, we will list the product. If not, we will ignore it. Right now that guy, he gave us some picture about the product with the prices. As you can see, this is a list of product that he gave us. This is a product that he sent me. And right now I want to check one by one which one is available in Amazon, which one not. Just consider we do not know about the product name, we just have the picture. How we have to find it? This is very easy. First, you need to go to Google. You have to upload a file. The first product we want to find, I don't know what's the name of it, but I will upload it and search it. So look at here, find it here in Amazon AE. This is the one that we are looking for. We'll go to Amazon AE. It's currently unavailable, but we want to find a product that is available. I want to add something. There are two ways of selling in Amazon. One way they call it BuyBox and one way it's private label. In this video, I want to focus in BuyBox. After that, we will go in the next video about the private label. But if I want to tell you briefly, BuyBox means already the product is available in Amazon and you want to be another seller of it. But private label, you will do everything from scratch. You will just put the picture of the product, put the keywords, whatever. But in BuyBox, no need to do. Just tell to Amazon, I'm another seller. No need to add picture, no need to have a designer, no need to have a content creator. That's it. Just sell your product. Here, we knew the keyword of this product. So I will copy and paste it to find another product. So this one, no, this one. So it's similar to the product that we already want to sell it. Let's go to find something else. This one also, if I click it, this one, there's 3 other seller also. This is not bad. So this product, we can sell it. Just something I want to add. If you find one product that has already brand, this one that you can see, it's Bahur Besedin. So this one, there is a brand for this product. And when you go to the brand, you will see the brand also is the name. This is a little difficult to list it. You have to make sure the product that you already receive from the supplier, it's the same brand that you already want to list it. This is very important. If you sell one product that is not the brand, you will face an issue from Amazon. Maybe there will be a complaint from a seller that you are selling a fake product, so it will be bad for your account. For example, if you want to sell one mobile phone like an Apple brand, just make sure your brand also that you are selling, it's not a Chinese brand, it's not fake. It must be from Apple and you must have invoice from Apple also. So if your product is Bahur Besedin, you have to make sure from the supplier, you have to ask what is the brand of it. He will tell you the Bahur Besedin. You have to ask him, you're an authorized seller of this brand? If he said yes, just ask him, okay, send us the document that shows that you're an authorized seller. If he's authorized, okay, let's go and sell it. You can find so many products, no name. So this will be easy. You can list it and easily you can sell it. If you want to sell one product and you sell more than 5 sellers there is in the product, you can find the seller here. There is another seller in the product that you can see there is a 3. This is a little dangerous because it's 3 sellers there. But if you understand, 5 sellers already sell it and it's the brand, just make that risk. It's not too much restricted. And also, you are a new seller. You will gain experiment in this market and no need to be very sensitive about the rules in the first. Amazon also understand that you're a new seller and maybe you make mistake and by mistake you list one product. But here I understand this product is 56 dirham and I asked from the supplier also. He told me the price is 14 dirham. So how we should calculate our profit for this? 56 dirham he's selling in average. So how much we have to sell? Okay, 1 dirham less. But as a start, I will tell you go for 5 dirham less because you are a new seller. Maybe some seller it's better than you, they have a good rate, they will be a winner of BuyBox. I will tell you what is the BuyBox. I'm trying to tell you all the names in Amazon practically. If you face it, you will understand what I'm saying. So this is a BuyBox, they call it. So this seller already is a BuyBox and the other seller which are here, they are not a winner of BuyBox. So they are the seller they are selling the product with a higher price. I will show you with the product that have more sellers so you will understand what exactly I'm telling. This product, I want to calculate the profit. We want to sell as a FBM, the formula that I want to give you. First, you have to know about the price that you want to sell in Amazon. For example, this product is 56. We want to go 5 dirham less. So it will be 51 for this product. So the formula will be like this. The cost price, which was 14 dirham that we asked from the supplier, plus the Amazon price that you want to sell into 13%. What does it mean? It means Amazon have the commission like 9% to 20% based on the category of the product. Right now we consider as an average like 13%. So we want to sell 15 dirham into 13%. Plus as a seller, because you are selling FBM, you have to consider 15 dirham for shipping because Amazon will charge you 15 dirham. So it will be plus 15 dirham. The price that we already reached, it will be 35.5 dirham. So this price is actually our cost price. And whatever we sell higher than this price, it will be our profit margin. So we are selling 50 dirham. So approximately 15 dirham we will earn because the cost price is 35, we are selling 15. So this is a good product. Once you pay, your cost price is 14 dirham and you will earn 15 dirham. So it will be more than 100% profit. So it's a good product. But there is a point that you have to consider. Here, the number of seller is less and there is a brand for this product. So I asked the supplier, do you have the brand for this product? He said no. So I will not go for this product and I will look for another product from the supplier. So he sent me this product. This is a ring. I will go for Amazon AE if it's possible. If not, in Amazon.com also you can find it and you can copy the name. Or here, there is no difference. Electronic finger counter. That's it. So I will go to Amazon AE because right now my shop is in Amazon AE and I search it to find the same product. I found it, I think. This one, but there is no review. I will not go for the product that there is no review, but the name it's Tasbih Counter Smart Ring. So maybe in UAE they use this kind of name. So I will search for it. 100 souls. So this product, it's a high selling product, so I can't think about it. What should I do exactly? I will click here. I will see 24 seller. So it means this is a very good product and I also can sell it because this supplier sent me, and the price of the product he gave me 19 dirham. So what can I do? Right now, if you can see, somebody is selling 14.9 plus 10 dirham delivery. He's selling 40.9, which you can consider 41 plus 10 dirham delivery. So it will be 51 dirham he's selling. But the price that we receive from the supplier is 20 dirham. How we can calculate our? The first factor that I told you, more than 5 seller, that it's passed. So it's good. We have this option. The next one, the price. We receive 20 and we want to calculate our profit margin. He's selling 51. We can decrease to 5. It will be 46. You will definitely be a winner of BuyBox. So our price to Amazon will be 46 that we can sell it. How we should calculate our profit? Cost price 20 plus 46 into 13% plus 15 dirham. We will earn equal to 4 dirham. So this is good also because we are spending 20 dirham and we are receiving 44 dirham, which is equal to like 20%, which is good enough. If you earn money around 10%, 20% like this, it is good in Amazon. As a start, you can start with it because once you send it to FBA, definitely you will earn more money because your delivery charges will decrease too much. Instead of 15 dirham, you will pay like 7 dirham, like 6 dirham, like this, because this is a small product. So I will list this product because I understand that this product is good enough and we want to start our sale. Let's see how many hours does it take after listing this product to our shop to receive the first sales. But remember, make sure that this product is the same product that you want to list. You have to see the product in the shop. Exactly, it should be the same, and after that list the product. And I want to tell you one point that is very important. Right now we are selling a product through Amazon FBM, and after that, once we understand that this product is a high selling product and we sell it like 5 pieces in a day, we should not go every day and buy the product from the supplier and send it to Amazon. This will be a time consuming and also headache. After selling 5 products, you will understand, okay, this is a high selling product. We should register for FBA and buy, for example, 100 pieces of the product and send it to Amazon warehouse. They will handle the next sales by themselves and your cost also will decrease. You will spend some amount of money first and after that you will sell your product. So let's list this product and see what will happen next. What exactly I should do? I have to go to ASIN and copy the ASIN, and after that I will go to add product and submit. So I can choose the condition and sell this product. So here there is a quantity. I will choose 10 pieces as a test. The winner of BuyBox, they are selling 42 dirham. So what exactly I can sell? I can sell like 39 because they are selling in Prime. Prime means they have the product in the Amazon stock. So once somebody have the product in Amazon stock and he wants to sell it as an FBM, so in this case he wants to sell it without buying it, you have to be a little lower than the BuyBox winner. For example, if they are selling 42 dirham, you have to go for 39 or 40 dirham. I know already there is a shipping for me. So if I choose 29 or 30 plus 10, it will be 40. So I can choose new. I will ship. This will be the first step that we want to find the good potential product. So right now, if I sold 10 pieces of this product, definitely I will go to the market and I will buy quantity like 500, like 100, whatever. And I can send it to FBA. But for the test, no need to look for a profit. Only 1 dirham, 2 dirham per pieces, it will be enough because I want to find a product that I will not face any issue in the time. Maybe there will be a complaint. These things maybe happen in your account. But don't worry, we will just, our loss here will be only one maybe complaint from Amazon, easy complaint. You can just solve it because you are new. After that, I will go for save. Okay, you can see right now we are in 10 December and we want to wait till when we can receive first order. So once I receive the order, I will show you. Just wait to see what will happen. So now it's 8 p.m. in 10 December. So after around 4 hours passed, we list 10 pieces of the ring for 6. And right now you can see we sold 290 dirham. So if we go to orders, manage orders, you will see here, there are some order which is related to 52 minutes ago and 1 hour ago and 2 hours ago. So from 5 pieces, 1 customer, 3 pieces, another customer, and 2 pieces, another one. You can see here the customer name. If I click here, I can show you the customer information, but it is based for the privacy. I cannot show it. And you can see based on this, we sold 10 pieces within 4 hours, maybe less. So you saw from scratch the exact way that's how you can find a product, how you can list it and check it. If this is a good product, we can send it to Amazon FBA. So definitely this will be a product that I have planned to send to Amazon FBA for selling it because within 4 hours I can sell 10 pieces. Definitely if I send this product to Amazon warehouse, I can sell more and my profit margin definitely will be higher. I tried next video to show you how exactly you can send this product to Amazon FBA
way, and I will show you how exactly you can do everything from scratch, like paperwork that this one has. I tried my best to show you everything practically and simple, and it was a real example that I tried to show you based on the order that I received in this account. I hope you like this video.